We interrupted programming. A following message will be transmitted.
Attention! This is not a test. Our civil war has started in Busan, South Korea. They expected to attack Seoul and Incheon. Please be prepared. Seek shelter. Gather up necessary items such as mobile phone charger, power bank, battery-powered radio, or hand crank radio, clothing, non-perishable food. All stations shall transmit emergency broadcast system. Most television channel and radio network will remain active to broadcast news. Information for entire area. Seek refuge in area that far from terrorist headquarters. If you can't, seek underground bunker with electricity, bathroom, wardrobe. If you cannot enter bunker, close all window and door with something heavy like furniture. Disable cooling system and ventilation. If you have phone, mute all sound. If you watching television, tune to MSFTV Channel 1, CNFTV Channel 5, AAFTV Channel 2. Make sure you turn on closed caption. Let's calculate attack probability. For Korea Demilitarized Zone, attack rate are 3%. For all states, hit rate might vary. Some are 75%, 35%, 90%, 15%, 1%, 5%. Good luck to everyone. All station will return to regular broadcasting. See you in the next time.